now we're going to be kicking off puzzle 3. So, Kobe, do you want to take it away?
Yes. Okay, so puzzle 3 is called Chaos Theory. And this time, Bob is again rolling his own cryptography. It hasn't learned better up until now. So at this point, what Bob is trying to do is to use the very well-known encrypt and sign methodology, which is very easy to apply, but apparently not for Bob. So you will have to use a mistake that Bob has done in designing his encryption scheme to find the plain text of a ciphertext, which should not be possible normally. And one thing that I want to note for this puzzle is that it will be important to have the actual implementation of the attack in the code. A final answer for this puzzle is not enough. But that's okay. That's what most of the people do anyway, so I think we should be fine. Yeah, this one was actually very much inspired by an idea Mary Meller gave us. She helped us design this devious scheme that looks very legit, but it's not. And yeah, so have fun. The puzzle runs up until 12 p.m. UTC next Tuesday. As usual, we will have hints every day in the next 3 days. And we'll always be around the Discord channels for questions, consultations, and whatever. And yeah, have fun.
And I think it's just been shared right on the dot, 7 p.m. Or sorry, 5 p.m. UTC. It's been shared now in our chat. So I believe everyone can kick off. We will see you again next week. I'm going to share a little bit about what's coming up. So next week, February 6th, we have our final ZK Hack 4 session. This time we're going to be doing the puzzle 3 winners. We're going to be doing a ZK panel, looking at what it's like to work in the ZK space. We're going to be doing kind of an overall closing ceremony for ZK Hack 4. We're going to finally find out who brings home the big first prize. We're going to be giving prizes out to folks who've ranked in the top 3, top 5, and we'll probably do a wider spread as well. So don't worry if you're not right at the top, but have a go at this one. We found that actually last time it got very rearranged from one session to another. So I think there's still a chance for anyone. And then, yeah, at the end of that, we're going to be doing the ZK Job Fair. And we shared this earlier on in this session that we do it on gather.town. It's this awesome virtual space for getting to know people in kind of a more casual setting. This is very good if you're sort of thinking about getting a job, you maybe started to interface with the team, but you want to get to know them a little bit better. This is a very great way to just walk up to them and get to know them. And also, it's our after party. So like not only recruiting teams and people looking for jobs will be there, they'll just be generally the ZK community there. So yeah, to get to the job fair, we're going to be sending emails and putting these links very, very close to the time of the job fair. So keep your eye out on the Discord. Come to the event next week because we'll definitely be sharing it at the end of that event in the actual kind of Ring Central interface. And I think we've just posted the link to that 4th and last session. So I do hope you'll sign up for it. We're going to be sharing that and making noise about it all week. We'll share more about the panel as well during that time. But yeah, I hope to see you there and good luck.